Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment we have this Libraton 3-piece ratchet set. So we have a 1/4 inch drive, a 1/2 inch drive and a 3/8 drive. The 3/8 is the one I've used the most, so let me put it down. You may have seen this in my spark plug video and a few other videos I've used in. They've got this very nice ergonomic shape. It makes it easier for getting on fasteners, especially if they're flush. Helps stop you scraping your knuckles. Yeah, they're pretty good. They have a lovely push button release for your sockets that hold them really well, and they have a nice quick and easy switch to reverse the where your ratchet goes. They also have an incredibly good little black drag between clicks, so it means if you're in a tight spot, it really gives you that extra advantage of being able to gently move a fastener out. Very useful if you're in tight spots. As I said, it's got quite a nice little holding. So this is the 1/4 inch and here's a 1/4 inch socket. Yeah, they go on nicely. And yeah, they got a nice comfortable grip. Let me get the bigger one out quickly. And this is the 1/2 inch. They feel really solid in your hands. And yeah, fairly nice, so easy to move. I think a good grip, they're fairly solid. They also come with this lovely foam holder or moulded bit to fit in your toolbox. You can keep them nice and safe and secure, which holds them really firmly. And yeah, they're pretty good. I've first showed you these in the Christmas tool haul. I'm very grateful for the person who got them for me. Yeah, they're really quite good. Let me quickly grab another socket. This is an impact socket because it's the only one I've got to hand at the moment. And you can see, I've got the D10 here, and you can pop this in. It really holds on there really nice and firm. You're not going to lose it. It's pretty good. We also have the 3/8 here, which I have an extension. Let me just find it. There we are. Again, put your extension on. And with all extensions, make sure the right size. With most sockets, or all socket types really, that's pretty good. You feel very secure with them. There's not a lot of play in them, which is quite nice. You can see there's a bit of back and forth there, but not too much really. And just a quick talk about the overall specs of these. So the 1/2 inch is 250mm long, 150mm for the 1/4 inch and 200 for the 3/8. They're all 72 teeth drive ratchets, so that's the number of teeth in the ratchet, 72, which isn't bad at all. And here's just a brief look at the ratchet in action. As you can see, you can be quite rough with it when you start to break a bolt loose. They hold up to all the abuse quite well, and it's quite a nice smooth action. Also, if you've made it this far in the video and want to show your support from me and the channel, why not drop a like and subscribe to see more of my content. And moving on to my final thoughts on these ratchets. They're all really good. They're really handy to use. They're really comfortable to use, especially in tight spots and tight quarters. The shape really helps with that. And that's why I'm going to give them a 4 spanner rating. The spanners just pop up just here, so that's a good score again. And yeah, they're really good if you need a set of ratchets. And yeah, pick these up, they're great. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.